Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 66-inch tall weighted punching bag, which is great for kids 6 to 12, but really kids of any age can take advantage of this. It does come with the boxing gloves included. I'm going to kind of show you what's inside. Here we're going to get our complimentary air pump, which is super cool that they include that. So we're going to use that to pump this thing up. You do have the actual unit, and of course your red boxing gloves there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unwrapped and we're going to get it aired up. So step one was actually got to add the water into the base. And so what I've done is hook this up to a garden hose. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. It holds 9 gallons here in the bottom, which should add, I don't know, roughly 75 pounds or so to the bottom of this thing. Gives it a nice weight. And so you have some counterbalance whenever you go punching this. So we got the provided pump. That's going to make short work of filling that up, which is going to be great. Save you there. All right. Go ahead and see if you can punch it right at the 40-inch mark. Whoa, careful, you got to dodge. You got to bob and weave. You got to bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave, like this. Could easily provide lots of activity for hours on end. Lots of energy can get burned, and you can hone your skills with this boxing mat.